Tornado watch has been cleared from our plateau counties and central northern sections of our viewing area, but it still goes a little bit longer. Areas to the south from Bledsoe County to Monroe County to 1 o'clock. There's still a lot of shear or low-level rotation in the atmosphere, so it wouldn't take much. Kind of like what we've seen throughout the afternoon and evening for a couple of these storms to become severe. We'll have to keep an eye on it, but areas to the north doing a little bit better. I think flooding is probably going to be a bigger concern for the majority of the area now, and some gusty winds as these storms continue. Very heavy rainfall, 40-75 split back down through McMinn County. Wider perspective, still some rough weather to our south through portions of Georgia. Cold front slowly pushing eastward, so I'll wait again until that line middle Tennessee especially comes through the plateau and Southern Valley. We'll see that from, again, 11 o'clock now. I'll stop it early in the morning, right about 2 a.m., 3 a.m., and you can see that line pushing through. So right between there, between 1 and 3, possibility we may see a brief spin up once again. Other than that, I think some gusty winds, 30, 40, maybe 50 miles per hour, and certainly some very heavy rainfall across the area. One last little push of some scattered showers, as you can see, early tomorrow morning. Gusty winds with this as well, but not expecting that to be severe. Look at the rainfall estimates we've had across the area so far today. Some 1 to 3+ inch totals across much of the area, especially west of Knoxville. Not a whole lot to the east. Again, that's why we've got the increased fire danger here. We've had these very strong winds coming over the mountains and sinking, drying things out over here. That's why the severe threat's not going to happen here. Just gusty winds and eventually some rain, but heavier rainfall has definitely been back to the west, and that's where it'll stay the rest of the night. Higher risk there for seeing some additional flash flooding. Here are the winds I was talking about. Look how strong they are. 52 Tellico Plains, 59 at LeConte. They are really screaming into the Smokies. Even some gusts back along the plateau between 30 and 40 miles per hour. That will continue as we go through the night. So a wind advisory for everybody, meaning winds could gust to near 40. Higher elevations of the Smokies, winds could gust over 80 miles per hour. That's above about 3,500 feet, and that's going to go into tomorrow morning across the board. Let's pick it back up with tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. We'll take it into the afternoon. I still think a pop-up shower or storm is possible in the afternoon ahead of that cold front coming through. This is lunchtime, and then I'll stop it right in the afternoon. There's not much. Maybe 1 or 2 of these cells could produce some small hail because there's so much cold air coming in behind this system as we head into early next week. So again, I don't expect it to be severe, but can't rule out some very tiny hail. But you're going to know the colder air coming in for sure by the time we get to Monday morning. Look at the 29 in Jamestown, 30 in Oneida, 37 in Knoxville, and 34 in Maryville. Friday, weren't we 81 degrees? Yes, we were, right? Yeah, it's chilly. By the time we get to Monday afternoon, at least we've got sunshine, but temperatures only in the low to mid 50s. So how long does that cool down last? One day. 71 Tuesday, 74, feeling like spring Wednesday. But another cold front comes through Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. Just some showers with this, not even any rumbles of thunder the way it looks, but the high is going to be just after midnight in the low 60s. We'll be in the 40s the majority of the day on Thursday. I know it's spring break for a lot of kids here in Knox County, but at least you get 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday, where it feels like spring. The rest of it still kind of feels like winter. Again, we'll stay with you throughout the night tonight until this severe threat ends, and we'll be right back after the break.